Treat the repair area with Eternabond. Allow it to dry completely, which takes approximately 30 minutes. Apply the Eternabond tape of your choice. Roll using pressure to activate the bonding process. This roofing technician is going to restore the integrity of this seal between the cap sheet roof and the metal edge flashing before damage occurs. He removes the release liner and applies the Eternabond tape of his choice, in this case Roof Seal Black, to the cap sheet mineral surface. He allows the Eternabond to extend 1 to 2 inches over the edge of the roof. He then folds the extra Eternabond down over the vertical portion of the flashing. Rub aggressively using your hand or a steel roller to activate the bonding process. This 30-foot edge restoration was completed in 20 minutes. According to the NRCA manual, metal edge flashing repair is normally a 7-step process, requiring scraping, painting, hammering, priming, re-nailing, coating with several layers of membrane and roof cement. Using the Eternabond system, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. After brushing off any loose debris, coat all surfaces with Eternabond. The Eternabond will act as a coalescing agent. Allow the Eternabond to dry completely, which will take about 30 minutes. Install Eternabond web seal on the primed surface, extending 1 to 2 inches beyond the edge of the roof. Fold the extended 1 to 2 inches over the flashing, rubbing the web seal with pressure as you go to activate the bonding process. Coat the Eternabond web seal with the coating of your choice, making sure to seal the edges of the web seal. Eternabond web seal can be used with water-based or solvent-based coating. This repair is complete. According to the NRCA manual, repairing a thermoplastic roof is a 15-step process, requiring specialized materials and tools and hours of skilled labor. Now, because of Eternabond, a skilled mechanic can make the same repair in a matter of minutes using our specialized sealant tape and a few common roofer's tools. Once you have located the problem area, score the roof surface with a sanding sponge, Scotch-Brite pad, or a sand cloth. Wipe off the residual dust from sanding with a non-residue leaving fast vaporizing solvent like lacquer thinner or acetone. Carefully apply the Eternabond tape of your choice to the problem area. In this example, Eternabond roof seal was chosen. Pull off the protective release liner and press the Eternabond tape into position as you go. Aggressively roll the applied Eternabond tape with a steel roller to activate the bonding process, paying close attention to the overlaps. This repair was completed in under 15 minutes. In this short sequence, we will show you, the roofing professional, just how well Eternabond bonds to even a granulated, modified, or cap sheet roof. This is a patch that we put down a little less than 45 minutes ago, just to show you how the product becomes part of the roof. See that? That's how that product will stay forever. Now this is a very hot roof that we're on right now. I'm just going to say it's over 100 degrees on the roof surface itself. And as it gets cold, it doesn't change anything. It just expands and contracts with the roof surface. Obviously, as it gets colder, the grabbing's a little harder and pulling on it's a little bit tougher than that. But the main thing is it's not going anywhere.
Apply the Eternabond tape of your choice to the damaged area of the roof, pulling the release liner off and rubbing the tape with pressure as you go. Finish the installation by rolling the Eternabond with a steel roller to activate the bonding process. The adhesion is obvious. In situations where the granule surface is thicker than the Eternabond tape, seal the edge of the tape with a roof coating of your choice.